Hello and welcome to my year of DIYs. This is going to be the video where I show you the lookbook for my year of DIYs. I have so many outfits to show you. This might be a little bit of a long video, but I have so many fun outfits for you. Basically, I started my DIY clothing journey about a year ago, so since now I'm starting my YouTube channel, I just wanted to get this right out the bat, show you what I've made so far. Some of the DIYs are just cutting off some jeans or chopping off a dress and making it a two-piece, but I think it's important to mention that whatever you do to customize your clothes just makes your closet more unique to you. And anything we can do to make your closet more unique is the goal, right? So I have some before and afters and some I just didn't take before and afters for, or they were made from fabric. So I'll put the before and afters first, and then we'll get into the ones that I just made. So let's get into the video. So this is a dress that I got from Value Village for around $6. It's definitely a dated look, so I thought I would just give it a little upgrade. I turned it into this cute two-piece with an offset button on the skirt to give it a cute little slit. Now this romper is super cute. I got it from Value Village for $4. Unfortunately, rompers just never are super comfortable for me, so regardless of how adorable it is, I thought I would try to do something similar and cut it in half. I've definitely worn the shorts more than I have the top. I actually just hemmed the top. So the shorts usually have another life, but they both also go really well with other things, like this red skirt actually looks super cute with this pattern. Now I got this dress, which reminded me of my mom from Value Village. I don't remember exactly how much it was, but I loved the style because it really reminded me of the 90s mom dresses. I thought it was super cute and I wanted to change it up. So I made it into my first ever garment that I tried to fully construct, so I made it a little wrap dress. Now this is just a old tunic top that I cut off. It is a little short on the crop top, but it's super cute with tights under. Now this again was a made from scratch item. It was a simple dress that I thought would be super cute, and the fabric is really shimmery. This is also made from scratch. I grabbed a yard of fabric from Joann's with a pattern that I thought was super cute, and I did my best to put it together. Now this tank top you're going to see a lot of. I got it from Value Village for $3 in the lingerie section. I cut it into a crop top because it was super comfy. I paired it with this cute skirt that used to be a Topshop dress that I got for $5, but I chopped off the top because it didn't quite fit in the arms, and I absolutely love this skirt. This skirt was a Value Village or Goodwill find, I don't remember which. It just needed to be taken in at the sides, so I did that. Unfortunately, as you can see, the top hits at a weird spot, and it doesn't always like to tuck into things. This skirt was made out of a dress that I had when I was younger for a dress up. It has just two snaps holding it at the waistband. It was kind of a fun way to construct a skirt from another skirt. Previously it was a much longer skirt. Now these shorts are some of my favorite chopped off shorts. They hit me at the length that I like, and they're really nicely high-waisted. I'm actually wearing them right now. Now this skirt was actually previously a much longer skirt, and it had buttons. I think they were also down the side, but it was just hitting me really long, and when I do it like this, it kind of reminds me of elementary school teacher sort of skirt length, and then it has a cute little slit. I love a midi skirt. I just think it's super cute. Alright, again we have some shorts that I chopped off. I wanted some light wash shorts, so I got these. They had a fun pocket on the side that I wanted to know if it would look cute as shorts. I also made the top from scratch based on a tank top that I love wearing, and I got the fabric for the top from the fabric section of Value Village, and it was curtains, I think, before. It was my first time really constructing a tank top like this, and I was also at the same time making it a matching set. I had enough fabric to make a skirt and a top, and I just loved the aesthetic of a double a two-piece set. It was very in last summer, and it's still pretty in, I would say, but it has lost its luster a little bit. Still very, very cute. I love the way that the slit makes it sort of offset the stripes to sort of break up the lines of the body. This top is super exciting because I made it from I think a Pinterest or a YouTube tutorial that I saw where this other creator was making a top out of a vintage sort of tee, and so it's just a square with a circle cut out at the neck and some ribbons holding it together, but I think it's super fun. It was a really cute and simple DIY. I urge you to try and make it yourself. I will try to link in the description below the creator or the tutorial that I followed. It was really fun to make for sure. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so honored that you would watch this video and see all the things that I've made. Please leave a comment down below which item or set you liked the best. I have some favorites, but I want to know what you like. Give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see some more DIYs, sewing videos, and camper videos. Thanks again so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!